At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Who remember what good on with the Blue Lagoon, my people? Who remember? Well, me go get right into it because guess what now? Listen, you see Isaac Buchanan? Isaac Buchanan and him for be our justice minister, This man fight for Jamaican people, This man fight for Jamaican people, This is why I don't understand how them little dirty kid labor right out here cuss Isaac and my people. But guess what? Before me play what Isaac say, I want to watch the video here. Hear this.
Hundreds of people gathered at the site earlier today to protest the suspension of activities. Now, as Sandy Williams reports, the facility was closed last year to accommodate renovations.
We come in the name of Queen Nanny of the Maroons. We come in the name of Queen Nanny of the Maroons.
It's the beginning of a battle with the government over the Blue Lagoon in Portland. Residents and environmental lobby groups are upset that after 8 months, the attraction remains closed. The beach property was closed to facilitate rehabilitation works and was expected to reopen after 2 months. But now the people are concerned that the facility could soon be privatized, as they are yet to receive any updates on the progress of ongoing works.
NEPA is in charge of protecting the environment, but they are in the Ministry of Job Creation and Economic Growth. So what do you think is going to happen? They're going to trample on the rights of the people for profit.
Access to the road leading to the property has also been restricted, which for the people constitutes a breach of their rights.
This is a parish council road.
Right.
They have no legal right to block it up.
Yes, you're right.
It's a free access to the beach since we can visit our own beach.
This is made up.
This is totally wrong.
The people marched to the property to demand answers, but were restricted by iron barriers and a team of police personnel. And this was enough to add fuel to their fire.
So the question we must ask ourselves, where do we stand in this nation when the police is being sent out against us on a peaceful protest just to swim? It is only to swim, and many of us can't swim. We're just going to dip in the water and walk on the sand.
My heart bleeds that my own people have guns. If I step across this barrier, no man shoot me in my head and kill me. Because the man them with the money and the power. What are you going to turn you against me? That hit me.
All people died in these waters. We deserve that. Not somebody with a strange phenotype and a strange name. It is ours. We will fight and die for this.
On the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, this is in your court now. Remove these barriers.
Mumzel, are the wrong person you call upon. Are the wrong person you call upon. My people, wanna see though. Wanna hear though. You see, when we come out and we are telling you about the government of Jamaica, even listen, you see the people them where they on the ground, them know what I want. But I don't know why people out here is bashing the PNP. Me just cannot get it. When at the PNP, a poor people defender right through. Who don't know that? A whole heap of things Andrew Holness come out with, and the PNP stand up and say, no brother, you can't do that. Enough time Mr. Mark Golden do that. Enough time, not only him, and the other PNP members too. You get me? So all this now, what the government want, privatize. Jesus mercy, the Blue Lagoon. The people cannot visit the beaches. You see, the government of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, all him think about is money. All him think about is money. This brother sell out in Jamaican people for 1 cent. Me I tell you no. And this need to stop. But anyway, my people, you know say, our public defender, the man will stand up and fight for justice. Isaac Buchanan. Hear this?
I was talking about the Blue Lagoon, right?
What happened with the case with the Blue Lagoon yesterday?
It was struck out.
Wow.
Really?
Yes, it was struck out on a technicality. And it doesn't mean it's over. Sometimes there are procedural intricacies that bounds the judge. And because it is a parish court, but the judge as a creature of statute has limited jurisdiction. If it was the Supreme Court, one would understand that in the pursuit of justice, procedure is a slave and not a master. But I can tell you, in a free and democratic society, people must be very careful, very, very, very careful when those who are there to protect the rights of the people are advocating for the other side. Just leave it like that. Very strange.
Those who are protecting?
Those who are to protect the rights of the people find themselves advocating for the other side. It's a very strange phenomenon. In shock and awe.
Some my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Isaac say? The court struck it down. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? Wanna see how the people them come out and the people them a fight for keep them beaches. Mighty God. Andrew Holness take the whole of the beach them and a sell them out. When him not sell out, him a privatize. Like, what is going on? What are you doing? Eh? This man, Andrew Holness come and see with the beach. And this man, all in the name of money. All in the name of money. And me like how the people them stand up. And see, we don't have a good representative that care about the people. You don't see that though? You don't see that? Me tell them about the lady over Burnham Lodge. And when I talk about this, when I talk about the lady over Burnham Lodge, and I said it was Isaac that stand up for the people over Burnham Lodge. And I think Havering also, I believe is Havering. I'm not really sure. Yeah? And the labor right them I tell me say I lie me I tell. And you know me I call up on TVJ News, Observer, Gleaner, the whole of Uno. Yeah? Uno knows that this happened. Uno knows that the court struck it down. But yet, me not see it in the media all now. What is going on? Uno need for show these things. Uno need for show these things because the whole of did hot and show it 2 years ago, last year. You understand what I mean? Uno need for show it. Show it and show up the government. The court struck it down. Yeah? The court struck it down. Uno see what is going on? Wanna see what is going on? We have a good representative. You understand? And you know what Jamaican want? Justice. And that we all want. Justice. May I tell you no? Justice we want. So my people, we all have to come together. We all have to unite to make this work. We all have to unite to make this work. Because a whole heap of thing we see Andrew Holness do. Me see all this man will lose him land, how much acres of land. The man buy him land. The man pay him taxes. The man do everything. When me tell you now, the man have a land title, he receipt everything. And then take the man land and go sell it. You understand me? It is not right. Government a get away with too much things. Labor right, uno fi split justice. And uno not doing that. Andrew Holness have him business partner, Norman Brown. In business partner when named Norman Brown, he is the director and chairman, not only for housing agency, but also for Urban Development Corporation. The whole of rip off Jamaica, and it is not right. It is totally not right. And let me tell you something, labor right. You know, if you have sense, you know, come and talk about PNP never go no nothing yet, and this and that, and Andrew Holness give you 20,000. Listen to me. Andrew Holness get money to give to the people. More than once, more than twice, more than 4 times. Let me tell you that. Canada give Babs the Grange money for give to the Jamaican people. And that money is for the youths. That money is for the youths. I mean, I say them I do nothing for the youths them. That money is also for vulnerable children. I mean, I say them I do nothing. I mean, I say them I do anything. And not only Canada, England give money. So when Andrew Wallace are giving you the 20,000, listen to me. Don't forget more than 20,000. You hear me? Don't forget more than 20,000. Andrew Wallace full of money. A 2.9 billion alone. Andrew Wallace are put in a needs where the court struck down and said that is a violation of our freedom and rights. 2.9 billion. The whole of we shouldn't get 1 million. Since as they have 2.9 billion, can put in a needs. Give the whole of we 1 million. And that you need for do. That you need for do. Because you take taxpayers' money and you waste it. That's all you do. While people is suffering. Seriously. Seriously. This need to stop. This need to stop. And the next thing when I want to address my people, me see the Jamaican for Justice came out. Remember, I showed it yesterday. And I was talking about it, because me really cut up about all these things. Because when me notice, most of them curfew is doing, and going on in a PNP area. You understand? And, too much youths are dying and the government not put nothing in place. When we realize Andrew Wallace don't have a crime plan, the only plan Andrew Wallace have is to just go in the area and if you hear the man them a gunman, you just shoot to kill. And that them a do. You understand? That is what they are doing. And the police have a duty of care. Yeah? Them have a duty, a statutory duty to do things properly. Not because they hear say 10 man a gunman, yeah, you just go and wipe out. Remember, everybody wanna kill, wanna claim say it is confrontational when that is not the case. Remember good, there is video. Listen, man. Listen, what I mean, I understand with the police commissioner. He is so confident and feel like he officers them wouldn't tell lie. Look how much video show when you're seeing police officers, police commissioner lied, give statement and lied. And when on check, we see CCTV, we see video circulating that the police killed the man and the man never shoot back. But yet, your police officers lied. Come on. So when we see you come out with your head held high and talking about police officers and no apology and whatever. The police officers them go out and just kill the youth them. They not try to put them in front of judge. When them go, if them hear say the man them a gunman, and if them buck up on them, even when the man them no rise no matic off of them just wipe them. You can't do that. You can't say, all right, you hear say 10 youth a murderer. Yeah, you just go and just kill. Remember say the youth them now shoot off at uno because remember enough time police commissioner Kevin Blake, enough time your police officers them lied. We have video evidence, we have CCTV, we see video circulating, when your police officers come out, and say a shootout, and we see it on camera say it is not shootout. We have whole heap of video of it. So when me see you come out and hold your head high and I defend these police officers, it make me think twice. I don't like the way how you're talking. I really do not like it. Remember, say when uno killing a man, remember, say Indicom, I investigate uno, and Indicom say, listen, uno wear the body cam. Uno say uno wear it. Uno say uno wear it, But what does Indicom say? When Indicom do the investigation, them never yet can say nothing pan no body cam. Uno never wear body cam yet. So if uno say uno wear it, and when an investigation time and there's no body cam, what uno expect go happen? That means a lie uno tell. That means you lie una tell. These things need to stop. A lot of people not understand, me people when me talk. Me see one lady, she comment, and me even did comment back. And she stating like my utterance and maybe me not have no family dead by police, or maybe me not have no family dead by gunman. Listen to me. You see me? Not because you don't hear me talk. You see me? I am for truth and rights. I have family that died underneath the hands of soldier. I have family that died underneath the hands of police. Let me tell you now. I have family where Godman wipe out. So listen to me. No for you come out and chat off on your mouth. Listen to me. You no have sense, brother. You no have sense. Not because you no hear me attack. A truth and rights me attack. You understand? Truth and rights. And me a defend the people. Listen to me. If you're a family member dead, obviously, you have some people, as a family, you're going to retaliate. That is different. Me not talk about that. We talk about the police, you understand? And them protocol, them statutory duty, where them supposed to follow. And that me I talk about. Remember say, me sure no say, enough for them policy. He never tell them say, when uno see the gunman, if a gunman no have no gun, kill him. Me sure no inna say that. So I want to understand what me I try to say. You see, if the youth them rise up a thing after them now and a shoot out, that is different. That is different. Because the police, them and soldier have to defend themselves. Me get that. But no found not get where me I come from. I am saying, when the police them go out, and they hear say, all them 6 man there, a gunman, and them buck up all pan one of them and 2 of them. If they not have no gun pan them, or if they not rise up no gun off of the police, what I'm trying to say, the police them, still, we kill them. And me I said that need to stop. So when you not come at me and I say, oh, I'm uttering out because I don't know me. You don't know me. So you don't know what I talk about right now. As I am speaking to you guys, I have an uncle where them kill right now. Just because me don't come and tell you my business. I have an uncle where them kill right now. You understand me? I have an uncle where them kill right now. But me not come because guess what? Me not go come bring me business pan this. And a God man kill me uncle. A God man kill me uncle. So that for sure, my people. Me stand up for truth and rights. Me stand up for truth and rights. Me say, if the police, them a go after the gunman, them. This is what me say. Say, for example, them here say, a gunman up the road, or they in our house, and they got the house. And the man, they not fire after them. The police, them, fi follow them protocol and do the right thing. Bring them in, lock them up. Don't just kill them. This is what I'm saying. So no fi understand. And guess what too? Me a family member that is a police, and me a family member that is a soldier. And let me tell you something. My son is a soldier. And you see? So sometimes uno fi just, come on. Please, just understand. I am here for truth and rights. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I want to take in this. So my wisdom warriors, the police commissioner Kevin Blake sent a message. As I said before earlier, I was talking about JFJ. So JFJ, Jamaica for Justice, came out and obviously, they're really worried about the type of killing that is going on and how much people are dead, how much citizens the police are killed. At least 1 citizen per day the police them are kill, and that not happen in decades. You understand? So through the JFJ come out and leak out against the police now. Police commissioner him get vexed and a defend him crew. So hear this.
I've taken note of the Jamaican for Justice's condemnation of what they described as intolerable number of fatal shootings by the security forces. I strongly support the view that the number of fatal shootings is too high. However, the call is wrongly directed and should be aiming at those who make the decision to challenge a far more superior force. And so let me encourage the Jamaican for Justice to be more responsible in their public pronouncements, especially when the nation is aware of its members' proven ability to comprehend the most basic and fundamental principles of security. To suggest that fatal shooting numbers can be reduced by anything other than the unwillingness of persons being apprehended to engage in deadly confrontation with members of the security forces is irresponsible, or at best, advocating for us to relent in our pursuit.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what him say? Wanna hear what him say? All right. The reason why you see him come out, he is attacking the Jamaica for Justice. And I want to listen to Jamaica for Justice. Tell me what them say wrong. Make this a man come out and not go on like that. Yeah? Just tell me. So hear this.
Shootings has reached an alarming and quite frankly intolerable number. The year-to-date total of police fatal shootings more than doubles the figure for the same period in 2024. This sharp increase is deeply concerning and unacceptable in a democracy. It is certainly unacceptable when one considers Jamaica's population size. If this trend persists, Jamaica risks regressing to the dark days before the establishment of INDECOM, when accountability for such incidents was virtually non-existent. If this trend persists, Jamaica risks eroding the gains that we have made since the establishment of INDECOM, and certainly the gains that we have made in human rights for the past decade. If this trend persists, we see the possibility of us recording significantly high number of police fatal shootings, the highest that we have seen in over a decade, because since the start of 2025, almost every single day, we have seen at least one citizen killed by a member of the security force. Again, if this trend persists, it suggests that we are at risk of having over 250 citizens killed by the security force at the end of 2025. We cannot allow this rollback of progress to continue unchecked. No, JFJ makes no pronouncements that these matters are all extrajudicial killings, because we deal and look at these situations on a case-by-case basis. However, there are concerns to be had. When we look at the INDECOM press releases and the INDECOM's incident reports as they report them, we see a standard line. No body-worn cameras were recorded as being issued or worn by the officers assigned to these various operations. We have heard from the JCF leadership that data storage infrastructure is needed to be strengthened to have increased body-worn cameras be procured and deployed. However, we must demand a timeline from the JCF's leadership. We have also been told by the JCF's leadership that 750 body-worn cameras are already deployed and are being utilized. The reasonable question that one should put forward: where are the body-worn cameras in these incidents that have resulted in fatalities? We cannot allow this rollback of progress to continue unchecked. Urgent action is needed to address this crisis and uphold justice and transparency. We must uphold the rule of law, notwithstanding the high crime rate. In fact, it is in times such as these that the rule of law is what must govern our country at all times.
Some of my wisdom warriors, at this make Kevin Blake come out and a defend. But when me I say, a whole heap of time in police officers them lie and then video show the truth. So you can't come out and hold up your head high like that. No, you cannot do that. When we see video of police officers killing other people, yeah, and they don't have no gun, and the same very police them write statement say I did truth out. All you have to do is wear the body cam. That is all we want. And when me notice when the Jamaican people are ball out for help and cry out for help, you no look on the Jamaican people. And some of the Jamaican people, they now use sleep or mark that. Them now use sleep or mark that. My people, you tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Before we go, I want to take in this.
Yeah, me no labor right. But when me check out the rage of this week, the Prime Minister put the PMP them on curfew and left the labor right them figure road go party. This don't look blood clot, good Mr. Prime Minister. That you do. That you do. Put the PNP them on curfew and let out the labor right them. And nothing at Mr. Prime Minister. A lot of labor right me know. We vote for PNP what day you saw. Mr. You look a blood clot. You sure you win? Because your labor right then turn blood clot PNP. Because of $10,000. Because of $2,000. And we hungry now. Me don't nothing still, but me a lick up on them blood clot. Both labor right and PNP are good people, but why did you put the PNP them on curfew? And not gonna check on the PNP them and make sure them blood clot locked down at night time. I pay 6 o'clock, 6:30. Me don't understand. So me want to know if we fuck like 8 o'clock, if we sit down and look up in the blood clot ceiling as a PNP, why the lady right then don't a man a wine pan girl, this don't look good, Mr. Prime. A few minutes blood clot later.
My wisdom warriors, me know all of this from long time what she has say, you know. And I not new, you know. And I like she a tell, you know. A true she a tell. A true she a tell. And this country, them call democracy. There is no democracy in this country. There is none whatsoever. No democracy. This Andrew Wallace administration is a wicked set of shithouse. This man no care about the people of Jamaica. This man no care about human beings. Me I tell you no. You see, uno labor right, uno just sit down and think about infrastructure. The amount of infrastructure where uno claims the Andrew Wallace bill. Go and follow up them right now. The whole of them empty. 90% of them empty right now. Me tired for telling you, Andrew Wallace is a real estate developer. That is what his wife good inna. And them a get the whole of the government contract. Andrew Wallace no care if equipment want inna the building, if resources want in the building, if staff want in the building. He doesn't care. He just want bill and get him money. And that is it. And uno Jamaican people, uno fi have understanding, man. Some of uno don't have no understanding. Mighty God of Daniel, John Woman, they say the way how them do things, I do not like it. I do not like it. And there is no democracy in the country. Where are the human rights group? Where una there? Me not say una come out and advocate for the Jamaican people. Where una there? Jano, my wisdom warriors, una tell me what una think. Una tell me how una feel about this. Put una honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.